Hello, hello, hello. This is Els, and I'm coming to you from Beamish Crafty Corner. So, today is Wednesday. What do we do on Wednesday? On Wednesday morning, we go to Tuesday morning to get stuff to show you for Wednesday afternoon. You know what I mean. So, I went to the store. Now, I've got some video. There wasn't a whole lot of stuff. Literally, like one shopping cart of stuff. And it was mostly books. But I did get this, okay? So I got a Tuesday morning package. I bought a Tuesday morning package. So what did I get? Well, I needed this, so I got it. This is a new set of watercolor brushes from Mart. It's 11 pieces. And it's kind of a nice little set. It comes in a nice little case and everything. And it was $9.99, 215-8242. And I'll show you how they look. We'll open it. Okay. So it comes in this case. And these are all natural fiber brushes. And that's a 1-inch flat. And these haven't been conditioned yet, so they have to be, conditioned. There's my favorite brush. Come out of there. That's my favorite. That's the number 8. I love this brush. This brush is great. And like I said, see, you can see they're still a little stuck together. They need to be cleaned and conditioned and ready to use. But I love a number 8. That's a number 8. That's my favorite brush right there. And this is one of my favorites too, number 6. I like a number 6. And I like a number 6 because it's a flat and it does a nice, well, I mean, it's not a flat, it's a filbert brush, but it has this kind of flat squared chisel tip on it, and I like it. So that's a really cool one. And then when I really want to get in some details and my number 8 is just really too big, well, you can always use this one here. This is a number 4. And look at how detailed and tiny the tip is. See? So I can use this to do really fine lines like veining and stuff. So I use that one a lot. So I got myself this little set, and it folds up like that, and it zips up, and it keeps all my brushes nice and safe inside there. And I kind of like that. Where's the zipper? There's the zipper. Okay, let's get the zipper. It's a very short zipper, so I'm going to have to put a thing on it. You see, I can close it up, take my brushes with me wherever I go. Kind of neat. There's 10 brushes in here, plus the case, 11 pieces. And not bad for, it's less than $1 a brush. I'd pay more than that at the store if I went to go get some. Because like this brush right here is like $5. If you want a flat wash brush, it's going to cost you about $5-6 just to buy this one brush. So this was a great deal, so I grabbed it. So that's it. Those are my brushes that I bought today. My new paint brushes. And I'll be using these when I do some watercoloring that I'm going to be doing probably over the Christmas season.
Hello, hello, hello. Here we are at the Tuesday morning. And I got some of these things for you here. These are the Memento Cut and Emboss for $4.99. We got this one here, which is the jar. 215-3661. They got the truck. Look at, they got the little pickup truck. Everybody loves this one. 219-3665. And we got Christmas trees and deer and ornaments and stuff. This one is 215-3664. They also have this one, which is like the star, and I like the little one because it's all decorated. Number on this one is 215-3662. And then they got the layered Christmas trees, and this one says ho ho in it. Kind of cute. 215-3663. Those are all $4.99. All right. Now they're just starting to get the Christmas stuff in, so let's take a look. All right, so we got some new stuff in from Pebbles. This is puffy stickers. There's 34 in there. Check that out. 216-2970. And they got the regular stickers for $1.99. These are 215-2988. Jolie's got some of their stuff in here. Starting to get some of their Christmas filtering in. They got some trees and some snowmen and some stringed lights. The lights are 2209-229. The snowmen are 220-9233, and the trees are 220-9232.
And that's it. It's all I got. So until the next time, if you haven't done so already, do me a favor and click the subscribe button, okay? Then like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. Because I got stuff. I got all kinds of stuff. I got this straw. I don't know why. I'm going to use this for something later. You'll see. It's going to be great. So until then, bye-bye.